Dear God, I'm patiently waiting for my success. I'm patiently waiting for my shining. I know I'm a shining star. I know I'm great. Yeah. Yeah, guys, it's not a easy process. It's not not an easy process. It's a work in progress. You improve day by day, but one needs to have faith. Have faith in you. For those who don't know what faith means, they always say faith keep those who keep faith. Faith keep those who keep faith. What is faith? What is faith? Faith is trusting and believing and having self-confidence in what is inside in you. Have self-confidence in what is inside you. Have trust in what is inside you. Believe in yourself. Talk positive.